Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google AppSheet. So to do this is pretty simple. So here you'll have to search your AppSheet in your browsers and then you'll just press the first link that you'll see. So here you can get started. All you have to do is sign in with your Google, Microsoft, Apple or Dropbox or Smartsheet or Box or Salesforce. So from here, once you signed in with your own account, you'll be able to create your own application. So here just press the create button and then you have your app and database. So you can use a database and you can import from your sheets, or you have your application right here and you can start with Gemini. So this is experimental, so it's going to use AI with your ease. So we'll just have to do this for a while. So you would want to describe the propositions of your application. Describe a business process to track and manage, for example, and create a preview in the app editor. And you can try the app and continue until you're done customizing and you can launch it and share this. So you want to be specific. It's like using AI. So it's like using ChatGPT potentially right here. So just describe what you need to track and manage. So here, let's try to use this example exactly and give it right here. So once it's done, Gemini is gonna actually try to generate and respond here. So here, this is a task tracker management for my employee workload. So you want to create this app right here, and then it's gonna set up the new app right here. So as you can see, AppSheet is free and pretty experimental right here. So you can use this to create apps, database that are useful for your company or even for your workflow in your work. So as you can see right here, it's just like Zapier 2, except you're doing an application. Your suggested next steps will be applied right here, like your theme, exploring the app, and data that's being connected to it. So here there's going to be video tutorials on separate things on how you can connect, customize, and deploy this. So there you go guys, this is basically how you use your Google AppSheet. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.